Today on Transplanting TV, I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple from a pineapple. Basically, you can go to the store and get your, $5 pineapple, and it's very easy. All you're going to do is take off the crown right here, and how you do that is you simply grab it and you twist it off. When you twist it off, you want to make sure you get the bottom like this. Okay? Next, I'm going to take you to the cutting and show you how to cut it. So now you can see I have two different pieces of the pineapple. I have the bottom portion, of course, and this is edible, so you're not wasting any money. And then also you have this section. On this section, you basically just want to strip away the leaves, like so. And as you strip away the leaves, hopefully there we go, and get rid of that thing. Strip away about 3 layers of leaves. You want to leave enough leaves on the top to hold it in your water glass. So you have this many leaves, and you can actually see some of the roots down in here. So next we're going to cut this part and expose this so the roots can grow and get out there and start producing a new plant. Okay? See the roots right there? Exactly. Now it's very important that you take off this meaty part right here, because it will not allow you to grow stuff because it will get all fungusy. So simply cut that off. And you can see the actual root system growing in there. All these little dots right here are roots. So I'm going to cut a little more off to expose more roots. Now, that's exactly what you're looking for. A bunch of little roots around there, and about that much taken off. So now we're going to go put it in the water. When I'm trying to grow something that needs roots, I basically put a little bit of rooting hormone on there, and you can just apply it like this on the bottom here, just to ensure that it gives it that little extra kick for the rooting to take place. Also, you want to ensure that you use fresh, clean water, and not to go up past these leaves right here. So when you put it in the water, you're just going to have a little bit of water at the bottom, and ensure that you change the water regularly, as this water will start getting milky. And you also want to watch that you don't get any fur growing up on there. You're pretty much done. You let it sit in the water for about 2 weeks, and the roots should start taking place, and then we'll move on to transplanting. I left my pineapple top here on the kitchen counter for about 3 weeks. Just change the water every couple days, and this is what the root system looks like after 3 weeks. Pretty good. So now we're ready for transplant. To transplant your pineapple plant, simply fill the bottom of your pot with some rocks or loose-fitting pebbles. Add some potting mix. I like to use Miracle Grow potting mix, and simply place it in there nice and lightly, and you are ready to rock and roll. Just have it nice and light, and you're good. And don't forget to water it. And there you go. And that's how easy it is to make a pineapple plant. Take care. And don't forget to visit tropicsman.com.